Steam clings to the walls, grease hangs in the air, the windows are wide open, but the smells still don't budge. Most kitchens deal with it day after day, meal after meal, and most people just put up with it. But this is what happens when it gets sorted properly.
Okay, so come here. We're gonna do a core hole for the extractor fan. So health and safety is one of the biggest issues in construction. So make sure you've got a pair of gloves, protective eyewear, and a dust mask suitable for the job. And of course you wear your shoes, your work boots. Mine are steel toe because of protection. And we're going to start and show you how we drill out the hole.
Let's go!
We got the pilot hole here. In fact, what I like to do, let me just show you very quickly what I like to do. I just like to take it off and make the hole separate. What I like to do before I start is just make the pilot hole for the drill. Just to give it a little start for the core drill to hold. And then one tip I would tell you is to make sure you run the drill the correct way, or you'll find that the core drill will come off. Give it a little test.
Wow.
Both ways. What's the name of the brick? That's how you do core cutting. Just make sure that when you get to a certain depth, you go outside once you can see the pilot hole. That prevents blowout. Going to connect. See how the hole is perfect? Okay, so that's it. Connect to the larger size. So it started with a 6-inch hole from the extractor, and then it goes down to the 4-inch hole. And we use reducers to step down the size so that the two of them can coordinate. So the larger one is the one that comes from the pan itself. So this is the 6, the larger one. So we're going to put them together. Okay, so we've connected the small reducer. We have 2 to downsize it to the right size for it to fit the holes. So that's all in place now. We've got the electricity what we're going to connect. I'm just going to check with the customer as there's no existing socket here for the power. And then we've obviously got the bar for the cooker hood in order for that to work. I need an earth sleeve for that one. Three there. And then 3 here for the cooker. I find it's with the flexible cable, the strands seem to come out of the connection point. So if I bind them together, there's no chance of them coming out. Alright, let's turn on the power. See what's going on. Alright, so that's all good. So you just test the power, make sure everything's connected before we do the junction box and put it in place, and then get this cooked. Take out this cable. So, if you have a look now, we was considering the curve for this installation, so we brought the actual cooker hood down in order for it to sit with the curve nicely. That was the customer's request. So we've screwed it in, done all the connections, and just the last part is the tidy up now. Okay, so we have the cooker hood in now, and when we was installing, we was considering this curve shape that you've got here, just to make sure that we clear it. We don't get too much of the tile showing at the top, or too much of the wall, I should say, showing through the space of the cooker hood. So it's working. This is how you install your cooker hood. If you need to see the connection point, there's a video up here to do with how to wire this. Thank you And we've got another happy customer.